Hello, I got Minecraft up and running here on my server 1.12.1, and today we're going to talk about teleporting. So here we go. This block of code right here, what it does, mc.player.getTilePosition, excuse me, gets the position of your player and returns it as something called a vector 3, which is x, y, and z. So I can save them now that player position has all x, y, and z position in it. I can save it as home x, where I am now, equals player.x, home y, player position.y, and home z is player position.z. So right now, if I run this, right, I'm at -8, 11, 2. X of -8, y of 11, z of 2. What this means is I am -8 east, west, and then 11 is north, south, and 2 is z, or how far off the ground I am. So I can come over here and I can go back to the game, and right now I am facing, if you see right here, it's kind of hard to see it, but I am facing west, sorry about my voice, or towards -x. So let's teleport. Excuse me. There, I think I sound a little bit better now. So let's teleport towards the -x. How do you do that? Because I want to go check out things in that direction. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to uncomment this here. I'm going to go home x, what my position is now, -100, y, and z. Okay, so let's go and run that. And watch the screen. Run module. Boom. Back to the game, like, oh, that looks pretty cool. So what if you were to do something bad? Wouldn't you want to be able to get back to where you were? Because sometimes you can kill yourself doing this. Let me give you an example of death. So what if I go, let's go a -100 in the z direction. Let's just see what happens with that. Okay, right now I'm underground and I'm being crushed, and therefore I am going to, I'm going to die. So, that was a bad thing. So what I built in was this little block of code here. So, go back equals input, type y to go back. And if they do type y, I'm going to set it back to my original position. So this way you can go out and explore new lands, and you can write down where you've gone to, and then you can always get back to where you're going if you make a mistake. So let's try, let's see if I'm fast enough to do this. Run module. Oh boy. Let's say I want to get back. So I just go like here and hit yes, and I'll end up teleporting back to where I was before. That's interesting how it didn't set me underneath the ground there again. I must not have, because I didn't teleport back, I spawned in a different spot. I think you spawn at 0, 0, and then just on top of the ground, so the X, Y, and Z can be a little bit different. Let's look to see what my player position was.